To survive here in the wetlands, this bird relies on a rather unusual strategy. North America's vast waterways, home to the bald eagle, an adult female. With vision up to 8 times sharper than humans, she closely watches the movements of her prey from over a mile away. Weighing up to 14 pounds, she can dive near 100 miles per hour, striking with talons, exerting approximately 400 pounds of force. But not every hunt begins in the water. Sometimes she waits, watching other hunters instead. A catch is made, and in an instant she takes it, stealing the prize before it can be eaten. Here, survival does not always belong to the one who hunts, but the one who takes.